Hey amiga, let's make a Ramo Buchón with mostly Dollar Tree items. So here I am at Dollar Tree looking for my flowers, and I was gonna do red, and then I saw that perfect little bundle of roses, and there were like 8 in a bundle, and I got 100 of them. Not 100 bundles, 100 roses. And some tissue paper, some wired ribbon to tie around, and then I was looking for ways to construct the bouquet so it wouldn't fall apart, because I imagined it would be heavy with it being artificial flowers. And I found this white duct tape, which I thought would work perfectly. Then I found floral tape. Oh my gosh, I was like, this is my lucky day. There was nothing in the little floral section. And then I was like, this I can use as a way to hold the bouquet together. And then I found that little foam. I wish it was round. That would have made it better, but it wasn't. So I spent $33. To make a Ramo Buchón, items that Dollar Tree was out of and I bought at Walmart, but everything is like pretty affordable. So let me show you guys what we got. So we got one of these like foam blocks. I don't know if we're gonna use it. These are from, they were 98 cents, but they were at Walmart. They are floral wire to make roses, and you guys are gonna see what my idea is. We got some Dollar Tree tissue paper to wrap our Ramo in. We got 2 rolls of floral tape. We got some ribbon. We got some white duct tape in case we need it. I don't know. I have never made one, so this is it. We got 100 artificial flowers. And they're not 100. They're 100 total flowers, but they're like bouquets, and we're gonna actually cut these and we're gonna form them into our bouquet. I got this because I don't know if I need it, but I'm gonna cut the bottom base of it. I already tried to cut it, but it's actual metal. So cut it, be careful if you cut it so you don't hurt yourself, because it will be very sharp. Walmart had like a little scrap area for fabric, and I was trying to find, because I want to make it a Hello Kitty theme Ramo Buchón. So I'm going to cut out these little Hello Kitties. I got 2 pieces for 98 cents. And then I got some Lindor chocolates. These were the most expensive thing I bought, and these were $7 for a whole pack, and we're gonna put those in between the roses. I was gonna buy glitter, but I already have glitter, so we're gonna just use the glitter we have. Glitter to make a bow for the inside of the bouquet. I thought that was really pretty. It's like really shimmery pink. That was $1.98, so this was a little bit. So ended up spending about $38 on everything. Oh, I also bought double-sided tape, but I don't know where that is, but I'll find it. Anyways, double-sided tape, you'll need a stapler. I did buy a stapler, but I'm not gonna count this as, because I needed a stapler anyway, so I'm not going to count this as supply. So you'll need tape, a stapler, and a hot glue gun. Make a Ramo Buchón. All right, now I'm going to walk you through how I made this. So I cut the base off of this, I don't know what you call it, like a vase, like a cheap vase, and I kind of bent the ends in so it wouldn't cut you when you're holding it, and then I put tape on it. And then now I'm using a wire cutter to cut all the flowers away from that little bouquet. I believe it was like 8 flowers to the little bouquet, or 7. Here I am cutting it and kind of starting to build the shape and build it from the center. So I think I did 5 roses, and then I wrapped with the floral tape. And then I did another layer and wrapped again, and so on and so forth. But just keep your shape. You want to keep it round. So make sure that you're adding your flowers in a dome shape. Honestly, it would have been so much easier if I would have found a dome like at the Dollar Tree, like a little dome foam, a dome foam, a dome foam, you dome foam. Sounds like a bad word, right? If I would have found a dome foam, I would have honestly done better, but I didn't find one. And there was one at Walmart, but it was $10, and I didn't feel like that was part of the affordable challenge. So, you know, but nonetheless, that's what I would do if I did it again. So here I am shaping my flowers. Make sure that you cut all the wire. You cut it off of the bouquet, and you cut all the stems, anything that's on there. You want it to be a really nice, clean wire to your flower, and just keep wrapping. Now I'm going to use tape. This is going to hold it together between layers. I think I ended up using tape 3 times. So I made a nice size bouquet, then I would use the white duct tape, and then I did it again. And then I would, at the end, I think I just put, well, we'll see, because I don't remember what I did at the end. So here I am wrapping some floral tape around that white tape so you don't see it. And then we're building it again. The reason I got the idea to make an affordable Ramo Buchón is because my son recently had to order a Ramo Buchón for his girlfriend. She wanted one for her birthday. And it was $160. It was beautiful. It was 50 roses. It was stunning. It was Hello Kitty themed. But it inspired me to see if I can make something on a budget that's just as beautiful and just as special. And I think this is even more special because you could keep it forever. Now here I am seeing if it's going to work out, and I'm feeling excited. I'm feeling like it's going to come through. Like it's going to happen for me. And I'm not crafty, you guys. Like I don't craft. I've actually been crafting more lately because it helps me with my mental health. It helps calm my anxiety. It helps just calm me. It's a very peaceful, fun thing. And it's also rewarding when you're done and it's so beautiful and everybody's like, oh, you did such a great job. So if you're dealing with like any type of anxiety, try doing a little crafting, some coloring, or even some journal writing or reading. It really does help. Or gym time. That helps too. So here I am building my bouquet, going to the next layer and adding more. And I'm adding all 100 roses. Each little bouquet that was $1.25 had 7 roses. And I bought 18 bouquets. Do the math. Is that 100? I think it is. Girl math. All right, so here I am. Anyway, so my son was like on a budget and he was sweating it because he's like, I have to buy my girlfriend a Christmas present. I have to buy her a birthday present because her birthday's after Christmas. I have to buy her a Ramo Buchón. I have to take her to dinner, and I want to buy her a present. And I'm like, dang, boy, being a boyfriend is expensive. Okay, I told him. So it comes with its perks and it comes with its downs, right? Ups and downs. And all around. All right, so here I am wrapping more tape, and I'm going to keep building. I think I'm almost done. And I just keep spreading the flowers out because it was so tightly wrapped that I felt like we were smashing a lot of our roses. And now I'm going to cover that tape with floral tape because I think that's the end of it for as far as wrapping flowers. We're done. I ended up breaking like 4 roses. So I think it was like 98 flowers or 97 flowers. But nonetheless, you know, who's going to count them? Yes. After going to Walmart and buying a few things there, I ended up spending about $42. I did the math. It's girl math, so I might be wrong, but I did it. All right, so here I am. So now I decided that like it wasn't going to work just putting the flower bouquet in that little thing, that makeshift holder thing that I made. So I decided to put my foam in there and cut the foam out and then put the roses inside the foam. So the foam was going to kind of hold it tight, and I had to use my glue gun to keep that foam nice and firm in there and secure. So make sure that you have a lot of glue because you're going to need a glue gun, a lot of it. All right, and here I am. And I already had a glue gun and glue, so I didn't count it in my part of how much I spent. So, okay. All right, so there I am sticking the bouquet in. I feel like yes, like it's going to work. Like it feels secure. It feels like it's going to work. I'm so proud of myself. It looks beautiful already, and it's not even time to wrap it and decorate it. So I'm feeling very accomplished. Yes, I'm like, good job, Rosalie. Okay, I was looking for Hello Kitty stickers or something affordable that I could find at Dollar Tree or at Walmart that was like under $2. And I found these scraps of 98-cent fabric in the like fabric scrap section. So I put it on some cardstock that I had with fabric glue that I had. And just be very careful because it is fabric and it doesn't look the best. Honestly, I would have used a sticker or printed something with my printer, but also having to buy color printer paper, color ink for my printer would have been a big cost. So I decided to go against it, and I came up with this idea. So it looked good. It did what it needed to do, but I would have changed it had I, had the opportunity to really think this out. So here I am cutting out all my little Hello Kitties. And now I had to leave the living room because Jose was watching football and he was being loud because he was watching the Niners game. So he was really excited. So here I am sticking my Lindor strawberries and cream chocolates in between some of the roses just to give it that sparkly, beautiful look. And I loved it. It looks so good. I was feeling very much like, who am I? Am I like crafty or whatever? And then I decided that no, I wasn't. Because by the time I was done with this bouquet, I was just so done with it. Like, I was done. Like, moving on. But just kind of put the chocolates everywhere and just put a little bit of glue. Now we're going to grab our ribbon. This ribbon was $1.98, but it was a very big piece of ribbon, so I felt like it was worth the $1.98. I stuck 2 pieces together and I put glue, and then I stuck a smaller piece together and put glue in the center to make my bow, because I wanted my bow to be very like cute, very cute vibes. So here I am kind of shaping my bow. I'm liking it. Okay, I'm saying, okay, you did that. Now I'm going to make the bottom of my bow. So I'm going to cut a piece of, and I'm going to kind of cut it in, I'm going to kind of glue it like it's a bow itself, a bow within a bow. And now I'm going to put wire over all 3 little loops, all 3 layers of loops. And now I'm putting a little bit of the ribbon in the middle so it looks nice. Now I am folding my paper. This is kind of how you want to fold it. Honestly, use better paper. I ruined my heart paper that I bought because I wasn't being careful. So just use better paper. This Dollar Tree tissue paper was just, it looked cheap, but you know, keeping with the theme, it was $1. So here I am showing you how I wrap it. Kind of fold it in half, but kind of at a soft angle so you get those little peaks and then meet those centers. You can cut it and you can fold it and cut it in different shapes. This was just the easiest for me for it being my first time. I was like totally a floral virgin until this moment. Now I'm going to tape it around. And I'm actually taping it to the bouquet with double-sided tape. And then at the end, I'm going to go in with my glue gun and really secure it. And here I am wrapping another piece of paper and just getting those little peaks, putting a little bit of glue, double-sided tape on the edges so it sticks to each other, and doing it again. Now we're going to use our stapler on the inside ones, and now we're gonna, I ran out of paper, so I had to find this piece of paper that was all wrinkly and gross, but we made it work. And we're gonna fold it, and we're going to tape it, and we're gonna staple it, and then we're gonna double side it, and then there it is. We're gonna lay it down on our bouquet. Oh my gosh, I'm honestly so proud of myself, amigas. Like, I cannot believe I had never made a floral arrangement, and here I am making a floral arrangement that actually turned out so cute. I'm so proud of this ramo that I actually want to give it to one of you. So make sure you guys are following my page and you like this video. Share it to your own profile or someone that might like it. And tell me your favorite flower. Tell me what your favorite flower is. And I'm going to pick one of you to ship this to. I mean, it's not perfect, but it's cute. Now we're going to wrap my last piece of tissue paper around the base. And I also wrapped tape around the bottom because I don't want the sharp edges to cut you when you're holding it, or cut through the tape. So I did, or cut through the paper. So I did put that white duct tape on the bottom of my little holder. And now I'm going to tie another bow around it. Here I am making a cute little wire bow. It was really just whatever. Like, that bow doesn't really show because you're holding it, but I try to make it cute. This ribbon was just very like, it was like wired, but it flimsy. It wasn't the best. So here I am trying to make a cute bow. And I'm exhausted, you guys. It's like 3 a.m. And I'm like, can we be done already? Can we just finish? And here I am making my bow. Super proud of myself cutting the little angles. All right, it looks cute. I feel happy. Now we're going to place our glitter bow on our bouquet. and we're going to stick it with our glue gun. And we're going to put some glitter hairspray, and some glitter dusting. And there you go. I hope you liked it. Bye.
Vámonos lejos de aquí. Ay, papi, dime que sí. Ella yo estoy lista para amarte, sin olvidarte de mí. Darte toda la noche.